Alexa, turn on living room light. Okay. Hi, I'm Tracy with New England Low Vision and Blindness, and this is another episode of Tracy's Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to be talking about all those smart devices that are around us. As you just saw, my friend Alexa just turned on a light for me. She can do that all over the house, indoors as well as outdoors, keeping my home safe for me to move around. She can also adjust the thermostat for me, which can be very hard to see. She can turn on appliances, she can make phone calls, and even call for help if I ever need it. Alexa's a very good tool. There's other devices like her out there, but they're great for having in your home for independence and extra safety. Most of us have smartphones or tablets around the house because we were using them before we started losing our vision, or friends and family have already realized that they're going to be an amazing tool for us, but we just don't know how to use them. I can assure you the accessibility is built in. There's nothing additional you have to buy. It's just learning how to take advantage of the accessibility in these smart devices. I've been an Apple user. I use an iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and they've all been a great tool for me in navigating my life with low vision. Most likely, someone in your family is going to be able to hop on with you and help you figure out how to send and receive emails with just using your voice, text, using the internet, downloading your favorite books, newspapers, and being able to access all that digital content that's out there. Things that are not just in your mailbox or laying around your house in a book or magazine. All that stuff on these smart devices, you can still access even with low vision and blindness. You can hire a trainer from New England Low Vision, and we can also come out and help you with all of that. But it can be an amazing way to stay connected with your friends, your family, and information outside your home. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed another episode of Tracy's Tips and Tricks, and I hope you have a great day. Alexa, turn off living room light.